In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rank scores in Coda with a switch formula. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a rank column to your table and have it automatically assign ranks based on the score in each row, with the highest value getting rank 1. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io/signup. If you already have an account, this page will let you log in. Go ahead and log into your Coda account, then open the Coda doc where your table lives. Make sure your table already has a column called Score, and that it contains numeric values, since the formula we're about to use looks at that column. Once your doc is open, navigate to the table you want to work with. We're going to add a new column for the rank. Click the plus add column button, and when the column appears, name it rank. Naming your columns clearly helps keep everything understandable, especially when you reference them in formulas. Next, click the rank column header to open its options and choose formula. This is where we'll tell Coda how to compute the rank for each row. In the formula editor, paste the following exactly. Switch this row, score 10, 1, 5, 2, 0, 3. Here's what this does. The switch function looks at this row.score, which is the score value for the current row. It then compares that value to the list of matches we provide. If the score is 10, it returns 1. If the score is 5, it returns 2. If the score is 0, it returns 3. In other words, we're mapping specific score values to specific rank numbers. This setup makes the highest value equal rank 1, which is a common ranking approach. As soon as you paste the formula, Coda will calculate the rank for each row automatically. If your score values include numbers other than 10, 5, or 0, those rows will not get a rank with this exact setup, because Switch only matches the values you list. If you need to cover additional scores, you can extend the same pattern by adding more value result pairs, keeping the highest values mapped to lower rank numbers. That's all there is to it. You opened your doc, navigated to the table, added a rank column, set it to formula, and pasted a simple switch that assigns rank 1 to the highest score. Clean, fast, and easy to maintain.